Star Atlas DAO value expectation outline. There certainly is really potential for Star Atlas DAO cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $0.0044 toward the finish of 2025, which basically is very critical. Star Atlas DAO cost figure recommends a chance of Polis exchanging between $0.0206 to $0.0256 in 2030, which by and large is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO for the most part is at present evaluated at $0.4245 on the lookout, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The essentially normal extended cost for Star Atlas DAO in 2040 in a real sense is supposed to fundamentally be $1.06, with kind of expected change somewhere in the range of $0.9767 and $1.22, which in a real sense is very huge. Our Star Atlas DAO all things considered, long-haul estimate for 2050 proposes Polis possibly going somewhere in the range of $1.57 and $1.79, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Starting around 11 January 2024, Star Atlas DAO is exchanging at $0.4245 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.89% in every way that really matters, most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. Polis basically has a complete market cap of $103,020,577, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $794,824. This explicitly makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, in every way that really matters, positioning at 358 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what essentially is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2024, what will Star Atlas DAO sort of be in every practical sense worth in 2024, or so they in a real sense thought? Is Star Atlas DAO a for the most part wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024, which sort of is genuinely critical? Will Polis costs certainly outperform its untouched genuinely high in an unobtrusive manner? These especially are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future in an exceptionally significant manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2024, as per the Star Atlas DAO estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Polis cost is supposed to especially cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0.6091, the normal pretty least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to generally be $0.5890 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Polis can in every way that really matters arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $0.6782, or so they especially thought. Star Atlas DAO value expectation January 2024, Star Atlas DAO cost is supposed to reach between $0.3831 to $0.4355 in January 2024. While the especially normal cost of Polis for the January especially remains around $0.4234. Star Atlas DAO value figure February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO for the most part is supposed to really be at around an exceptionally least of $0.4202, which basically is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO cost can fundamentally arrive at an extremely limit of $0.4525, with the genuinely normal cost of $0.4404 in United States dollars, which basically is very huge. Star Atlas DAO value expectation walk 2024. The cost of Star Atlas DAO really is in a real sense anticipated to sort of reach at a truly least worth of $0.4419 in walk 2024, which is genuinely critical. The Polis cost could generally arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of $0.4745, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.4580 all through 2024, showing how Star Atlas DAO value expectation rundown there explicitly is truly potential for Star Atlas DAO cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as sort of high as $0.0044 toward the finish of 2025. Or so they fundamentally thought. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value gauge April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO for the most part is fundamentally anticipated to really arrive at a by and large normal cost of $0.4763, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.4974 and an extremely least of $0.4602, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Star Atlas Dow Value Estimate May 2024. The extremely normal cost of Star Atlas Dow, POLIS, could in a real sense go to $0.4906 toward the finish of May 2024. POLIS could sort of exchange around a most extreme worth of $0.5164, with the base expected cost of $0.4745. POLIS Value Gauge June 2024. The Star Atlas Dow conjecture for June 2024 expects that the POLIS may generally arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.5361, with a base cost of around $0.4803. Discussing the really normal value POLIS can truly stretch around $0.5004 for June in a fundamentally significant manner. Star Atlas Dow Value Expectation July 2024. The cost of Star Atlas Dow for the most part is explicitly anticipated to explicitly reach at a kind of least worth of $0.5003 in July 2024 in an unpretentious way. The POLIS cost could for the most part arrive at a greatest worth of $0.5561, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.5204 all through 2024, or so they certainly thought. Star Atlas Dow Value Conjecture August 2024. The genuinely normal cost of Star Atlas Dow, POLIS, could in a real sense go to $0.5412 toward August 2024 in an unpretentious manner's end. POLIS could truly be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of $0.5821, with the sort of least expected cost of $0.5251, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. POLIS Value Figure September 2024. The Star Atlas Dow Gauge for September 2024 expects that the POLIS may sort of arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $0.6038, with a kind of least cost of around $0.5319. Discussing the kind of typical value POLIS can generally stretch around $0.5521 for September, which basically is very huge. POLIS Value Conjecture October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Star Atlas Dow is estimated to by and large be at around a truly least worth of $0.5525 in an unpretentious manner. The Star Atlas Dow value worth can sort of arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of $0.6258, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.5686 in United States. Star Atlas Dow Value Forecast November 2024. The cost of Star Atlas Dow certainly is for the most part anticipated to essentially reach at a genuinely least worth of $0.5712 in November 2024, which in a real sense is very huge. The POLIS cost could arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.6486, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.5914.